Right, hello everybody. I'm just putting the finishing touches to this journal so I can move on with the other one. That's drying at the moment. I haven't been able to get any of the last couple of days because I've been doing that crochet thing, the longest day, and it's called the longest knit. And so I've been doing that, and also over at my sister's, plus I had dentist. So I'm back in here now, so hopefully finish this off. And I've just got to put some finishing touches to it. And as I was going through it, I noticed one of the pages, because something was on it, it's quite heavy, okay? And when it opens, it sort of looks like it's not straight, okay? But we know it is, yeah. But the weight of this is just sort of like making it look like it's not straight. So what I thought I would, so I've left this totally, do here is put one of those sort of snippet page tabs down there, or you could put lace down there, or, you know, any of these things that I've done here. But I fancy putting a little snippet down there. So I thought I would do one with a bit of book page for the background, and we'll stick bits on. Let's have a look about that length. Okay, like so. Okay, and that's really going to be finished then. I've just got to put some finishing touches to it, and then I'll do a flip through. Yeah, so I don't want it too wide, so about like that, I think. Oh gosh, yeah, it's even, I've got the heater on and it is still freezing, so you have to excuse me today if I start shivering. It's been fine in here recently, absolutely fine, and then all of a sudden it's turned cold again. So I don't need that bit, so I'll cut that off first, I think. I don't know why I'm cutting it. I could tear it. There we go. Right, we'll check the length. Yeah, that's perfect. Right, so we'll just fill that up with little bits. I've got in here. Right, let's do it from the kit. So I've got a bag here, or basket. So we'll do it from there. Right, that goes in the fabric pile, not in there, Andrea. Oops. Oh, and I'm going to do one mass make for March and join in. Yeah, that was good. That was good, that hashtag. I thought, oh, mass make in March, or March mass make. So I am going to do one, but mine, I think I'm going to do like just stamp loads of, I've got loads of scrap pieces of paper, so I think I'm just going to do a load of stamping and put them into a tub or something so I can use them throughout the next few months. So I thought that would be my contribution to mass making, I think. Right, this is just, oh, what colour are we on? Sorry, I just checking the colour of the page there. So there we are. It's sort of yellowy. Yep, so I'll put that one there because that's the colours, but we can have a bit of blue, of course we can. Actually, I'm just thinking that we could use that as well. Maybe a little bit too big, but I'm gonna, it's a bit odd with that butterfly there. It's got to be the right way, hasn't it? So I'm gonna just rip that down and then use that. That's fine. That's going to go on the edge of the page. Not sure about that. Oh. Right, okay, let's start. Actually, I'm going to stitch it, so what I'm going to do here is do it with this, because I'm going to stitch down mine. I'm thinking this is on the outside, you see, so not to come out too far. I just move that over a bit. And I'll just show you, it just straightens the page up and also creates a bit of weight. Yeah, and then you'll find that it doesn't do that then. It's quite nice, isn't it? I know it's quite autumny, but I'm going to put that down because it will go with the other side, and that's quite pretty. So I think we're all right now. Yeah, quite quick. I will. I'm just going to have a look at it. I'll be stitching down it once it's dry. So then we can put that there. Okay, and that will sort of give a bit of weight to it. All right, and then you also won't notice. I might actually put a bit of lace behind it as well, because I could do with a bit of lace on there, but I really like that to go down the pocket. So I'm just gonna do that first. And I need a bit of lace. I don't know, is that long enough? Oh yes. Right, okay. Right, just wait for that to dry. There, right, so I just put row stitching up and down on that one. Okay, and then that is going to go on there. Let's go, make sure you go over the stitching or else it lifts up. Okay. Okay, and then at times something stuck in the pocket there. I tell you what, I haven't got anything in here. Is any you can see it just sort of pulls down a bit. Any I might move that. Yeah, it's funny how that's quite hard, quite thick, this one and that. So and it's not a very thick page, but time I put a journaling card in there, that will be fine. Okay, that will give that a bit of support. Right, okay, got to find something for that. That takes the eye away from it as well. Yeah, that's fine. I've got all different bits of lace actually. Right, so that's all nice and dry now. And then all I've done here is back to an index card, okay, with a bit of collage background from one of the freebies, and that's going to sit in there. And I think that can be left as is. Yeah, well, that was very quickie today. I'm gonna do, what am I going to do next? I'm just going to do some ephemera, some bits and pieces that need to be put in the journal, but they're mainly going to be done with the collage sheets. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.